Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. We are back with the part 3 of this video. Subject Mathematics Standard 4th, Lesson number 2, Number Work. Children, the subtopics to be covered today are different breakups of a number, comparing the numbers, bigger and smaller number. Let us learn about these topics today. Before beginning with our topics, let's do some warm up. Warm up of what you have already learned in video 1 and video 2. The first question to you is, the place value of the digit 2 in the number 56,234 is? Students, I think you have noted down the answer. Yes, it's 200. The next question, the expanded form of 95,687 is? Here's the answer. 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 7. The next question, the biggest 4-digit number. It's very easy, isn't it? Yes, the answer is 9,999. The next question, the smallest 4-digit number is 1,000. The last question is 5,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 3 is the expanded form of the number 5,263. That means we can read this number as 5263. Children, let us begin with our topic, that is different breakups of a number. You might be thinking, what is this breakup of a number? Yes, let me tell you. Breakup of a number means dividing their numbers as per the place value of the given number. We can break a number in different ways. So, with the help of an example, we will try to understand the topic much better. We will see the breakup of 156 in the following ways. First, we will write down the number. Above the number, we are going to place the values. The values above these numbers are hundreds, tens and units. So let's begin. So as we begin with the breakup, there are some simple tricks which we can follow and make these sums easy for solving. So here the trick is, first you will take all these digits as single digit. That is 1, 5 and 6. And with the help of their place value, we are going to write it down. See how? That is 100, 5 tens and 6 units. The next breakup of the same number. Here we are going to break the number as single digit and double digit. Students, please note that whenever you are taking the digits together, always you will mention the lowest value of the number. Here we have taken 56 together. So I will not take the highest value, that is tens value. I will take the value of units. So the breakup will be written as 156 units. Same number with different breakup. Now I will take the first two digits together and the last digit alone. So again we have to note here the lowest value will be written along with this number. So the number will be 15 tens and 6 units. The next, here we will take all the numbers together and note it, we will take the lowest value. So the answer will be 156 units. Students, this was the simple breakup of the 3-digit numbers. Let's move further and solve one more example to get more clearer with the concept. Students, let's begin with the breakup of another number. The number given here is 7425. Let's begin with its breakup. First, we will note down the number. Above the number, we will first write the place value and let's begin. First, we will take these numbers as a single digit. So it will be 7, 4, 2 and 5. And the breakup will be written as 7400, 2 tens and 5 units. The same number with different breakup. Here we will take the number as single, single and double. So while writing down, we will write it down as 7400 and here we have taken 25 together. So we are going to put the lowest value and the number will be 25 units. The next breakup is single, double and single. So while writing, we will write it down as 7042 tens and 5 units. One more breakup. Here the breakup will be double, single, single. So now I think you can guess the answer. Let me see whether my answer matches with your answer. Yes, my answer is 7400, 2 tens and 5 units. One more breakup for this number. And this is the simplest breakup. We are going to take all these numbers together. And we are going to put the lowest value, that is the value of units. And it will be 7425 units. Isn't it simple, students? You all can follow this trick while doing the breakup of any number that is given to you. Children, let's begin with the breakup of another number. The number given here is 1204. So, firstly, we will note down the number. Then, we will write the place value. And let's begin. Our first breakup will be single, single, single number. So, we will represent it as 1200, 0 tens and 4 units. The same number with different breakup. Here we will break the number as single, double. We have taken here double number because 0 is in tens place. And this number as single. So it will be written as 1020 tens and 4 units. Now the next breakup. It will be double, single, single. So it will be 12H, 0 tens. If you don't mention 0 tens, then also it's fine. And 4 units. Now the next number. As we have 0 in tens place, we will take now 3 digits together. So 120 and 4 as single. So it will be written as 120 tens because tens is the lowest value in the 3-digit number here and 4 units. In the last breakup, we will take all the numbers together. So it will be written as 1204 units. Isn't it simple, students? Yes. I am assured that now you can do the breakup of any number that is given to you. Students, let's move to our next topic, that is comparing the numbers. Children, we can compare the numbers only when we have two numbers or more than that. But for this, we have to follow certain rules. The rules are as follows. To compare any numbers, you have to take help of the place value. For example, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, units. Children, if we mention this place value above the number, it helps us to make the comparison in an easy way. The next rule is, to compare numbers, always start with the largest place value. Let's see an example. Here we are having two numbers, and with the help of these two numbers and the place value, we can do the comparison of the numbers. Let's see how. In the first example, in hundreds place we are having the digit 2. In another example, in hundreds place we are having the digit 5. So, first we will compare with the largest place value. So, on the left hand side we have 2 and right hand side we have 5. That means 5 is a greater number. So, in the comparison of two numbers, the second number, that is 523, is the largest number and 231 is the smallest number. Let's see the next example. If both the numbers have same digits at the largest place, then look for the next digit and keep on doing it till the time you have encountered different digits. Let's see it with the help of an example. Here I have two numbers. Let's compare starting from the highest digit till we encounter means till we come to a different number or a digit in the same place values. Here in thousands place we have 4, as well as in second number 2 we have 4 at thousands place. In the first number in hundreds place we are having the digit 2. In the second number 2 we have 2 at hundreds place. In third place value, that is tens place value, we are having 3 in the tens place. In the next number, we have 1 in the tens place. Students, here we have encountered different digits in tens place. So, in the first number, we have 3 and the next number we have 1. So, 3 is greater than 1. So, automatically the number 4231 is the biggest number, whereas 4213 is a smaller number. Let's move to our next topic, that is bigger and smaller number. Students, it is very easy to find out the bigger and smaller number, as you have learned in the previous slide how to compare the numbers. Using the same rules, we can identify the bigger and the smaller number. Children, whenever two numbers are compared, one of the number is the bigger number and the other number is the smaller number. Let's see an example. The number given here is 5263 and the other number is 2635. Out of these number, one is the bigger number and the other is the smaller number. Now let's see which is the bigger number. The bigger number is 5263 and the smaller number is 2635. Let's see few more examples in the next slide. Children, now we will observe some numbers that is given to you and we will try to complete the given table. The table shows the smaller number and the bigger number. The first numbers are 2543, 5263. Now which is the smaller number? Yes, 2543 is a smaller number, whereas 5263 is a bigger number. Next example, 9620, 6290. Here the smaller number is 6290 and the bigger number is 9620. The next example is 5525. The next is 5255. Here the smaller number is 5255 and the bigger number is 5525. The next example, 7525, 3255. The smaller number is 3255 and the bigger number is 7525. Isn't it easy, students? Yes. Oh, it's a crocodile. What is it doing here? It came here to help us to compare the numbers as bigger and smaller number using a sign. The open mouth sign is always made in front of the greater or bigger number. We use this shape in the mathematics as a sign or symbol to show less than. If the greater number is on the right hand side, we use less than sign. Greater than. But if the greater number is on the left hand side, we use greater than sign. Now, let us solve few more examples to get more clearer with the use of this greater or lesser than sign. The numbers are 569 and 198. Here, the greater number is 569. So, the mouth of the crocodile will be open towards 569. The next example, 799 and 869. Here, the greater number is on the right hand side. So, the crocodile's mouth will be open towards 869. 9. Next example. Here the numbers are 2513 and 5213. Here the greater number is again on the right hand side. So the crocodile's mouth will be open towards 5213. The next example, 6769 and 5169. Here the greater number is on the left hand side. So the crocodile's mouth will be open towards 6769. Students, keep these two rules in your mind and it will be easy for you to use these signs properly. Children, let's do some recap of what we have learned in this video. So now it's your maths practice time. The first question is use proper sign, that is the sign of lesser than or greater than. The numbers are 5605 and 3602. Here the greater number is on the left hand side. So you are going to use the greater than sign. The next is circle the bigger number and the numbers are 2336 and 4562. Here the bigger number is 4562. The next example, the number that comes after 1999. Students, as your teacher has taught you that whenever you want to get the after number, you should always add 1 to the given number. So, when I add 1 to 1999, I get the answer as 2000. The next is the breakup of the number. Here the number is 1357. Let's do the breakup of this number. So first we will take the digits as single digit. And we will write it down as 1300 5 tens and 7 units. The next breakup, single, single, double. So it will be written as 1357 units. The next breakup, single, double, single. So it will be written as 1035 tens and 7 units. The next number, it will be taken as double, single, single, and it will be written as 1300 5 tens and 7 units. The last breakup, we will take the whole numbers together, that is 1357 units. It was a recap. Students, you are going to practice many more sums in this way in your rough book. Kids, we will be meeting soon with another video of this chapter. Till then, keep learning something new every day. Thank you.